Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can publish your apps on Google Play. So if you had paid the one-time fee by Google, your Google Play account should be open by now. Then you choose your developer account and wait for it to load. Then you click on create app, then your app name. Choose your app name, then the default language English United States. Then there is an app and it's free. Then you confirm app meets the developer program policies. Then you accept the US export laws. Then you click on create app. You get started setting up your app. Then you skip the first step, which is start testing now. Then you go to set up your app. Then you have to complete all these tasks. You set privacy policy, app access, ads, content rating, target audience, news apps, COVID-19 contact tracing and status apps, and your data safety. So for now we are going to skip the set privacy policy. I'm going to show you that later. So you click on this app access. You click on all functionalities available without special access. Then save. Then you go back. Ads. Click on ads. Yes, my app contains ads. Since we are going to monetize it with Google Ad Mob, you have to choose a yes, my app contains ads option. You save it. Back to your dashboard. Your content rating. You start questionnaire. Email address. The email address that is going to be used in contacting you. Then the category. If the app is a game, like if you made a game, you can choose the game option. If it's a messenger app, if it's a messenger or chat app, you can choose social or communication. But if it's any other type of app like educative, entertainment, consumer stores, news apps, lifestyle apps, streaming services, utilities, tools, emoji set, fitness apps, magazines and customizations, you can choose all other app types. Then click on next. Does the app contain any ratings relevant content? No. Does the app natively allows users to interact or exchange content with other users? If it's a messenger app, you can click on yes. But for now, mine is an educative app. It's a not app. I'm clicking on no. Does the app feature or promote content that isn't part of the initial app download but can be accessed from the app? No. Promotion of sale of age restricted products or activities. Does the app focus on promoting or selling items or activities that are typically restricted, such as cigarettes, alcohol, firearms, or gambling? No. Miscellaneous. Does the app share the user's current precise physical location with other users? If your app does not make use of location, you click on no. Does the app allow users to purchase digital goods? No. Is the app a web browser or a search engine? No. Is the app primarily a news or educational product? Yes. Mine is an educational product. Click on save. Then next. Then you can just leave this one. But if you have any rating, you can reduce or increase it. But I would advise you not to create any app that will violate Google Play Console or your account may be closed. So you have to be careful. Submit. Then you go back to your dashboard. Then you go to target audience. Now guys, the targeting option is very important. It's a very important part of the app publishing because you have to show your app to who is in need of it. You cannot show an app about women clothing to people interested in gaming or thereabouts. You have to show your app to people who are you have to show your app to people who are going to use it. So for your target age based on your app, you can choose anyone you want. But for mine, I'm going to choose 13 to 15. Click on next. Or you can choose about 3. That's to broaden who your app is going to be shown to. You click on next. Could your store listing unintentionally appeal to children? So you can click on yes if your store listing includes things like animation or things that could appeal to unintentionally appeal to children. So you click on next and save. Go back to your dashboard and continue completing all the steps needed. Then go to news apps. Is your app a news app? No. Click on save. You back to your dashboard and complete the COVID-19 contact tracing and status apps. My app is not publicly available. It's not a publicly available contact tracing or status app. Save. Go back to your dashboard and data safety. Help users understand how your app collects and shares their data. Does your app collect or share any of the required user data types? No. Click on next. So to submit it, you have to provide a link to your privacy policy on the privacy policy page. So you click on go to privacy policy, then leave and discard. To get your privacy policy URL, you have to go back to your apps geyser. You have to go back to your apps geyser account, then sign in. On your apps geyser, you click on dashboard and monetize. Under the apps geyser, monetize, you click on publish. Then they're going to show you all the steps you have to pass in order to publish your app on Google Play. So we have done all this. Click on next, 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 next. Then we are going to copy this link, the privacy policy link. We're going to copy it, then go back to our Google Console account and paste it. That's our privacy policy link. Click on save. Back to our dashboard. And we continue completing everything we're going to use. Click on data safety. Click on next. No, our app doesn't collect or share any of the required user data types. Next. And submit. Go back to our dashboard. Select an app category and provide contact details. We're going to manage how our app is organized on Google Play. Yes, it's an app. Category education. We could add some tags. We could add some tags at least to broaden our search. You're going to put your email address, phone number. I could leave this website empty. Then click on save. It has to start with +234. Save. Back to your dashboard. Set up your store listing. This store listing is important as it portrays how your app looks on Google Play. So you start with your app name, not king, a short description. Once you are finished with your app name, short description and full description, you go to your graphics and you upload an app icon. that must be 512 pixel by 512 pixel. Alright guys, it showed error, so I'm going to use pixel app to make the image 512 times 512. So you delete this new text, click on it and delete it. You're going to add the image you're going to use. Click the image to work on it. Click on this three option button and click on image size 512 times 512. Okay, then you save it. Actually gonna make it bigger. Save to gallery.
Want to pass your certification exams first time? At Exam Labs, we've got you.
As you can see, it's been finally accepted. So you click on okay, you have to feature graphics. So you have to feature screenshots, phone screenshots about what the app is about. So I'm going to take some screenshots. To make it eligible for promotion, you have to use at least four screenshots. So once you're done, you click on save. And go back to your dashboard. And you hit tags. Select countries and regions. Sorry. So you can go back to your dashboard. Under release your app. You create a new release. So currently, applications in .apk format is not allowed. If you don't want to create rollout testings, go back to your dashboard and create and click on select countries and regions. Add countries and regions. Have you ever wanted to download a game or app and it says this app is not available in your country? It's because your country was not ticked when the person was publishing his app or game. So you can click on this first one to select all the countries and regions and add countries or regions. Click on the button. Yes, add. 177 countries added. Create new release. So click on review and roll out the release. Under publish your app on Google Play, you click on review and roll out the release. Then you click on edit release. So app bundles in .apk format are not allowed. So you have to go back to your apps geyser and download it in an .abb format. Let me show you what I mean. Click on this download button. The app will be sent to your email. When you click on this download AAB format in .aab format. Once you finish downloading it, you go back to your Chrome, back to your Google Console account and upload it the .aab format here. While it's still uploading, you can add a release name. This is so you can identify this release, but this name is not shown to users on Google Play. You can add this release note only when you are updating the app, but for now you can just leave it. Whenever you are adding release notes, that is when you want to update the app, it must always be under these HTML tags. The release note must always be under these HTML tags. These are HTML tags used in web development, used in designing a basic HTML page. So you must always add it be under this NUS and under this closed bracket. So the app has finished uploading, but it took a little time. You click on review and release. As far as there are no critical conditions, you can click on start rollout to production. This usually takes at least 5 days because right now the app is still under review by Google Play. So it will take at least 5 days. Look at in review. You can see it here in review. So it take at least 5 days. Once the app is approved by Google Play, it will be released on Play Store. So it's going to cause a little delay in our classes because after the next 5 days, I'm going to show you how you can add mob code to your as soon as the app has been released. I'm going to show you how you can add mob code to your app real time, promote it and earn money from it.